Are you looking for best airbrushes? Airbrushes have become indispensable tools for professionals and hobbyists alike, enabling precision and versatility in a variety of applications, such as model painting, illustration, cake decorating, and even automotive work. With a wide range of models available, choosing the right airbrush can be overwhelming. In this comparative review, we tested 5 airbrushes across different price points, from entry-level to premium, to help you make an informed decision.
Product 1. Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 Dual Fan Air. The Master Airbrush Cool Runner 2 is a comprehensive kit designed for professionals and serious hobbyists. It includes 3 airbrushes, G22, G25, and E91, a powerful 1/5 horsepower compressor with dual cooling fans, and a 6-color acrylic paint set. This all-in-one package is ideal for users who want versatility and a complete setup out of the box. The compressor's cooling fans allow for extended use without overheating, and the inclusion of multiple airbrushes caters to a variety of tasks, from fine detail work to larger coverage. In performance testing, the Cool Runner 2 excelled in delivering consistent airflow, making it suitable for prolonged sessions. The G22 and G25 airbrushes provided excellent control for detail work, while the siphon feed E91 was effective for broader sprays. However, the kit's acrylic paints required thinning for optimal results, and the overall setup is bulky, which may not appeal to users with limited workspace. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Cool Runner 2 offers exceptional value for professionals needing a versatile setup. Product 2. Master Airbrush Master Performance G233 Pro Set. With 3 nozzle sets, 0.2 The Master Airbrush G233 Pro Set is a budget-friendly option that offers surprising versatility. This dual-action gravity-feed airbrush comes with 3 nozzle sizes, 0.2 mm, 0.3 mm, and 0.5 mm, and a 1/3 ounce fluid cup. The inclusion of interchangeable nozzles allows users to adapt the airbrush for fine detail work, general spraying, or wider coverage. The set also includes a 6-foot air hose and a quick disconnect coupler for added convenience. During testing, the G233 performed well for its price point, delivering smooth and consistent sprays. The cutaway handle made cleaning and maintenance straightforward, and the fluid control knob offered precise adjustments. However, the airbrush's build quality felt less robust compared to higher-end models, and it struggled slightly with thicker paints. Overall, this is an excellent choice for beginners or those on a budget who need a versatile tool for light to moderate use. Product 3. Iwata Eclipse HPCS Airbrush Gravity Feed Dual Action. The Iwata Eclipse HPCS is a premium airbrush known for its precision and high-flow atomization. Its 0.24 ounces gravity feed cup and E3 nozzle make it suitable for a wide range of applications, from ultrafine lines to broad sprays. Designed with durability in mind, it features a spring steel needle and solvent-resistant seals, ensuring long-term reliability. The quick flush cutaway handle simplifies cleaning, making it a favorite among professionals. In our tests, the Eclipse HPCS delivered unparalleled performance. It handled various paint types effortlessly, requiring minimal thinning, and produced consistent, smooth results. The build quality was exceptional, and the airbrush felt well-balanced in hand. While its price may deter beginners, its ease of use and advanced features make it a worthwhile investment for professionals and enthusiasts aiming for top-tier results. Product 4. Got Hobby 0.3 mm Gravity Feed Dual Action Airbrush Paint Spray Gun Kit Set. The Got Hobby 0.3 mm Airbrush Kit is an entry-level product designed for beginners and hobbyists. At just $12.90, it offers a dual-action trigger, a 7cc fluid cup, and a 0.3 mm nozzle. Its lightweight stainless steel construction and compact design make it easy to handle, while the included storage case and accessories add to its convenience. While the GOT Hobby airbrush performed adequately for basic tasks, it lacked the precision and consistency of higher-end models. It is best suited for light applications like nail art or small crafts, as it struggled with detailed work and thicker paints. The build quality reflects its price, with some users reporting durability issues over time. However, for its price, it provides a low-risk introduction to airbrushing. Product 5. Harder the Harder and Steenbeck Ultra 2024 is a German-engineered airbrush designed for beginners and intermediate users. Featuring a 0.45mm self-centering nozzle and a 5 ml paint cup, it offers excellent control and ease of use. Its triple chrome plating and solvent-proof seals ensure durability, while the Start Control trigger system helps users achieve consistent results. In testing, the Ultra 2024 stood out for its smooth operation and ergonomic design. The 5-step trigger system was particularly helpful for beginners, allowing them to focus on technique without worrying about overspraying. The airbrush handled a variety of paints well, though it lacked the versatility of models with interchangeable nozzles. Overall, this is a high-quality tool for those looking to refine their skills.